Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? This time, my brother, the Dent coin price will be increasing and very trending, my friend, in the crypto market this time. Dent coin is one of the unique coin to the price will be increasing absolutely from last 24 hours. Otherwise, if you check out the XRP chain occurring, the Dogecoin, the Cardano, absolutely all currencies is very badly face down. But Dent coin, one of the unique, my brothers, too, you could see here they will moving upward. And from last 1 month, my brothers, 34.9% they will give you a profit. So I think it's a very good jump, my brother, and definitely there is a lot of chances so they will give you a more and more get a profits. Now let's see, my brother, I will predicate this coin, and after that, my brother, you will be better understand. So as you can see, my brother, this time I will start a price prediction, but kindly please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, as you can see, my friend, every coin will moving in this circulation. After a dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore this time, as you can see, the arrows is moving in upward direction at the last point. So that's clear, my brothers, to upcoming time the price will moving upward. So Dent coin holder, if you hold it and if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is a good chance for brothers to you will take. And please, my friend, be safe from the loss. I am 100% sure they will give you a profit, but if you are invest, if you are hold. Thanks for watching Dent coin holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.